Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn a Google slide or any other slide for that matter, Microsoft or any slide, upload it to Google Drive and turn it into a video, a talking video where you have voice to your slides and not just silent slides to make it more exciting for everyone. This is a cafe where a slide deck was generated. Going to go into export and then notice the options here, Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. I'm going to hit Google Slides and then it'll ask me for my information. Going to add my information, my Google Drive information. You need to have a Gmail account for this. And then it opens up straight away on Google Drive. Next, really simple by the way. Next, I'm going to go to the right here. This is completely free for everyone. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says convert to video. Hit that, go into convert. And that's how easy it is. So that's the first step. The first step is to get your video ready. The next step is going to be how to share it. How do you share a video such as this? But before we do that, I don't like to have music in the background, and some of my students complained when I did that in the past. So listen to it and tell me what you think about having music.
Welcome to this video on AI in education, focusing on a theoretical framework.
If you liked it, you can keep it, but I'm going to remove it. And let me show you how that's done right here on this timeline. Going to go into, notice you don't want to take away the narrator, but if you do, there's always a back button here. You can undo and redo, and you're on Google, so it's fine. All right, so I'm going to go to trendy music, which is not the narration. Hit that and then delete it. Now listen to it and tell me if you prefer it this way or the other way.
Explore social constructivism applied to IBDP business management.
All right, so we are going to take the next step. For that, we are going to go to the top right here. We don't have to share it with everyone unless we want others to have editing rights or viewing rights. We're going to go into not download as MP4 or GIF. We're going to go into export to drive, our drive. And now it's exporting. We'll go into open now. And notice the video is not ready yet. You can download here or you can wait around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the link that was shared before. Here it is. All right, so now we've got the link. In my case, I'm going to go into my Moodle course, of course. I'm in my course. Next, I'm going to go into Generico. Okay, and I can do it by maximizing it and going into this icon, Generico widgets, or I can go into insert and scroll down until I get to Generico widgets. Both ways are fine. Next, I'm going to go into website because this is an MP4 link. Hit that, insert. And now everyone will be able to, let me just post to form, everyone will be able to view it straight from here. No, they can't. Now, what happened here? Let me tell you. Let me go into edit so I can show you. I had the link, but the link, notice here, the link at the end of the link, and this is important, you will see view. What you need to do is add preview, P-R-E to the view, and then save changes. And now, here it comes. We can play it.
Welcome to this video on AI in education, focusing on a theoretical framework. We will explore social constructivism applied to IBDP.
Wasn't that amazing? So easy. Let me know what you think. Follow my steps, try it yourself, and add in the comment box below how it went.